Before we start, I'll be providing all the required resources to create this video in the description, so make sure to download them first. Now, head over to project settings and set the aspect ratio to 1:1 since this video is designed for square platforms. Next, drag the music down to the timeline. Go to stock media, search for Castle Wall and bring it onto the timeline. Scale the clip up so it completely fills the frame. Duplicate the same background clip and extend it so it covers the entire duration of the music. Now, add a quick text and type in the lyrics. For the text, select the Bagel Fat 1 font. Increase the size and change the color to blue. Enable shadow, change the shadow color to black and adjust the distance for better depth. Now enable the Bezier path option. Next, drag the heart emoji image onto the timeline. Change its blend mode to screen and scale it down slightly. Place this emoji layer below the text layer. Using the Bezier path, carefully arrange the text around the heart shape. Increase the text size until it completes the heart properly. Go back to the Bezier path settings and fine-tune the offset until everything looks aligned. Reset the preview window back to its original view. Then delete the heart emoji from the timeline. Make any final size adjustments to the text if needed. Now, go to titles and drag base title 10 onto the timeline. Click on the first text and choose Apply to all texts. Then delete the first title layer. Fill in the lyrics again. Bring the Pocoyo character images onto the timeline and position them in the corners as shown. Next, go to Effects, open the Valentine category and add the overlay to the very bottom of the timeline. Search for Light Sweep 1 and place it between the text layer and the Pocoyo layer. Now, drag the Polaroid template onto the timeline. Add a quick text and customize it according to your needs. Place the required photos below the template layer. Double-click on the template, go to AI Matting and enable Chroma Key. Use the dropper tool and click on the green screen area. Resize the photos underneath so they fit perfectly inside the Polaroid frame. Now hide the background layer, move the playhead over each photo and take a snapshot. Unhide the background again, then delete the temporary layers. Place the snapshot images anywhere you like within the frame. Apply the blurry injection animation to bring in the effect smoothly. Go to Effects and add a square blur. Adjusting it as shown. Add another quick text and type "My World." Enable both shadow and background. Then adjust them to match the design. Use keyframes on the blur effect and animate the opacity for a smooth transition. Now, add an adjustment layer and cut it between the scenes. Go to Transitions, open the Valentine category and apply the transition. Select everything on the timeline and convert it into a compound clip. Finally, go to Effects and add a mild shake on the top layer. Reduce the gradual value to 0 for a subtle effect. And that's it. Your video is ready.